friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, in this video, I would like to do solutions to exercises. Before watching this video, you ready to keep math textbook, notebook, pen. If there is any doubt, you pause this video and copy the answer of that question. Second problem, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Solution, let a number be x, then the other number is equal to 27 minus x given condition. According to the question, the product of the numbers x into 27 minus x is equal to 182 is given. This is given. Therefore, x into 27 x into x square minus 182 is equal to 0. We have to shift all this on right side only. X square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Here middle term minus 27. So that's why 182 is 182. 182 is equal to 13. 14 is 182. 13 plus 14 is equal to, these two are minus numbers only because this is minus 27. So minus 27 x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 13, here 14 is common, x minus 13 is equal to 0. Again x minus 13 is common, so x minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to 13. X is equal to 13 or x is equal to 14. Therefore, the numbers are 13. The numbers are 13 and 14. Question number 3. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 613. Solution. Third answer. Let a positive integer be x. Then the second integer is equal to x plus 1. Therefore, according to the question, sum of whose squares is 613. That's why squares x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 613 is given. X square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 613. 1x square, 2x square plus 2 1s are 2, 2x plus 1 minus 613 is equal to 0. 2x square plus 2x 613 minus 613 plus 1 is equal to minus 612 is equal to 0. 2 is common for all numbers. Taking 2 as common, x square plus x minus 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 0 0, 2 4s are 12 is equal to 0. Cancel. X square plus x minus 304 is equal to 0. Now 1 into minus 304 is equal to minus 304. Minus 304 is equal to 17 18s. In middle term plus 1, that's why we have to keep minus for 17. Minus 17, x square minus 17x plus 18x minus 304 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 17. Here 8 is common, 18 is common, x minus 17 is equal to 0. X minus 17 is common. X minus 17 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. X minus 17 is equal to 0 or x plus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to 17 or x is equal to minus 18. Therefore, the positive integer, therefore the positive integers are 17 plus 1, that is 17 and 18. Question number 4. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters, find the other two sides. For this problem, first we have to draw rough diagram. Right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is given 13 centimeters. Let the base of the right triangle is x. Then its altitude height be x minus 7. So this is the rough diagram for this problem. A, B, C. Fourth solution. Given that hypotenuse of right triangle is equal to 13 centimeters. Let the base of right triangle is equal to x base, x centimeters. According to the question, altitude of a right angle triangle 7 centimeter less than its base. So altitude of a right triangle is equal to x minus 7 centimeters. By Pythagoras theorem, we have in triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Basing this theorem, we can write AB square, AB is x square, BC x minus 7 whole square is equal to AC square 13 square. X square, it is in the form x minus 7 whole square in the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that's why we can expand this like this: x square minus 2 into x minus into 7 plus 7 square is equal to 13 square 169. 1x square 2x square 2 sevens are 14 minus 14x 7 sevens are 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. Two x square minus 14x 49 minus 169 is equal to minus 120 is equal to 0. 2 is common for all terms. X square minus 7x minus 2 6 0. x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So 1 into minus 60 is equal to minus 60. Minus 60 we can split 5 twelves here minus middle term minus 7x. That's why we have to keep minus for 12. So 5 minus 12 is equal to minus 7 will come. Therefore, x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 60 is equal to 0. X is common, x plus 5. 12 is common, x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to 12. But length is always positive only. That's why, but x can't be negative number. Therefore, x is equal to 12 only. Therefore, x means what? The base of right triangle is 12 centimeters and altitude of right triangle x minus 7 means x minus 7 means 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeters. Question number 5. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on the day was 90 rupees, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Solution for this question number 5. Let the number of articles produced be x. Let the number of articles produced be x. Then the cost of each article, then the cost of each article is equal to, according to the question, 2x plus 3 by given condition. According to the question, the total cost of production is equal to this article number of articles into the cost of each article, that is x into 2x plus 3 is given 90 rupees. This is given. X into 2x, 2x square, plus x into 3, 3x, minus 90 is equal to 0. Here middle term we have to split 290 minus 90 is minus 180, minus 180 is equal to 12 15s, 12 15s, minus for this 12, minus 12 plus 15 is equal to 3. Therefore 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 is equal to 0. 2 is common, 2x is common, x minus 6. Here 15 is common, 15 x, 15 6 are 90, so 0. X minus 6 is common, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6, or 2x is equal to minus 15. X is equal to minus 15 by 2. But x can't be negative. Therefore x is equal to 6 only. X means number of articles. Number of articles is x. So number of articles produced is equal to 6. Therefore the cost of each article is equal to 2x plus 3. 2 into 6 plus 3, 2 6 are 12 plus 3, 15 rupees. Sixth problem, find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters and whose area is 40 square meters. Solution for sixth problem, let the length of the rectangle L be x meters. Given the perimeter of a rectangle 2 of L plus B is equal to 28 meters. So 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 fours. So L plus B is equal to 2 ones, 2 fours. Therefore breadth of a rectangle rectangle B is equal to this 14 minus x. Length we have taken x meters, that's why 14 minus x meters. Area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle, area of the rectangle A is equal to LB, length into breadth. This is the formula. According to the question, area is given 40 square meters. So a length 14 minus x into breadth x is equal to given 40 square meters. 14 into x, 14x, x into x square minus is equal to 40. We have to shift these terms to right only. X square minus 14x plus 40 is equal to 0. One into 40 is equal to 40. 40 is equal to middle term 14. That's why 4 tens are minus 14. So keep minus for these two numbers. Minus 4 minus 10 is equal to minus 14. Therefore x square minus 4x minus 10x plus 40 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 4. 10 is common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is common again, to x minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to 10. X means we took length. If L is equal to L, x is equal to 4, then breadth B is equal to 14 minus x is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10 meters. If length x is equal to 10, then breadth B is equal to 14 minus 10 is equal to 4 meters. So these are two dimensions.